This here's Twister 3 Elitch Gardens. This is one of the last 20 coasters I still need to ride in the US, and definitely one of the bigger ones, so looking forward to this one. This is in the back row. Written in the front already. You'll probably see that POV already. My wife decided to skip out in the back row because the front was a little shaky, so we think the back would be a little bumpy, so we'll see how it rides here. But yeah, this ride's impressive how big the new structure is. Reminding me a lot of the old cyclists at Flags New England before they turned into Wicked Cycling. As you can see, Denver's all around us up here. Almost at the top. Let's see how bumpy this is up here. Definitely bumpy, but kind of funny how it shakes you around. Not much in terms of airtime, but some pretty good laterals, especially later in the ride. So that's Twister 3 Elitch Gardens.